Found these Happy Meal toys in a little box I had, and my kids started playing with it. So I thought I'd show you guys. This is from 2020. I wonder if you can see this. 2020 Marvel made for McDonald's. So these were from the Happy Meals. This is Groot, and all he does is move his hands like this. I got some duplicates, because usually when you go to McDonald's, they just give you the same one over and over. Next one I'll show you is this lady. I forgot what her name is. Maybe it's Scarlet Witch or whatever. She moves like a little sumo character, waving her arms like this. And you put them together like this. This Ant-Man. He flies this way. Put it down. This is, I forgot what his name is. He's Captain America's best friend. Or Iron Man's best friend, I forgot. Flies like this. Winter Soldier. It's kind of random. Surprised they don't have a more popular character, but only moves one arm. It's like he's doing bicep presses or something. I already showed this guy. He's skiing. It's too bad the face doesn't move. But this guy seems to be a skier. Guess you can play with them like this. Kaboom! 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 The last one is this guy. I don't even know who this guy is. Maybe you can tell me who this last guy is. Hook him up. That's it. That's my little McDonald's Happy Meal collection. Hope you enjoyed it.